guys. Today is a day that we install the exhaust. Thumbnail. As you guys know, I already put the carbon fiber diffuser on a couple days ago, but today we installed the exhaust, which has been sitting here for about a week now. We're gonna go to Daniel M Life. I'm sure some of you guys know him. He's a pretty known guy and great guy, you know. I hit him up a couple days ago telling him if I could get the exhaust done, and sure enough he said he could do it. So we're gonna go to his place right now, and yeah. But before we go, guys, I want to show you a comparison between the stock exhaust and the valve exhaust that I'm getting. The valve exhaust is Alibaba exhaust. If you guys don't know what that is, that's a Chinese exhaust, basically from China. But I mean, isn't everything from China, guys? Like, come on, guys, let's be honest. But yeah, the point of this video is I want to show you guys what are the stock sounds and what the new exhaust is gonna sound like. So right now I'm gonna head over there right now, and we're gonna check. Look who we have here. We have Malcolm. Not bad.
Wow. I didn't know it did that.
How's that?
That was good.
So that is the stock exhaust. Just imagine after we put that exhaust, it should sound way better, but I'll give you guys the after. So this is the before. So today we're installing this exhaust. Finally, we're here with Daniel and Kevin. Say what's up. This is the vlog camera, man. This is Daniel, but I mean, I've been waiting for a long time, guys, about, I would say about 4 months total, just because the exhaust took 3 months to get here. And I mean, we're finally gonna get this on. This is the bottom of the exhaust, the stock. Can't wait, man. So here we have Daniel's M4. And this thing is something else with the HREs, carbon fiber, OEM Plus, the CS hood, carbon fiber grills. This thing's such a beauty. And over here we have Lime Rocks M3 KGs. Honestly, this thing is so clean. Damn, this is what I need, guys. I need the carbon fiber. I forgot those are called. Yeah, and the GT4 lip. Honestly, yeah, this car is really clean. I'm getting my work done right now with Daniel. It should take about 2 to 3 hours, but you know, it's gonna be worth the wait. It's gonna be worth the wait. Oh, look, I believe he also has the carbon fiber OEM style on this. This is what I also need. Honestly, this car, like, attention to detail, has like everything. It really has. And these seats, cloth with the M Performance steering wheel. But as you can see, we have 2 gems right here. These things are so beautiful. We're in the works already.
Yeah.
Next things, those big mufflers.
Yep.
Or not big, these are tiny mufflers compared to the stock ones. This is the stock muffler. And look how fat this thing is. Compared to those, they're just like 2 but single. Separate. So now we do have the both mufflers installed. And we're almost there, thanks to Daniel. Instagram in the description. I'll be sure to, you know, tag them. And
There you go.
with these big boys, this car is gonna look 10 times better.
Oh yeah.
This is definitely what I've been waiting for.
No, definitely picking it up. You're stepping it up.
Next, supercharger.
Right? Okay. You got the exhaust, now you got the supercharger.
Everything seems to be wired up properly. We ran this hose through this right fender liner right here. Daniel had to remove all of this, and yeah, I mean, it's all, the wiring is all done through here. You guys can see the wires are right there, and all thanks to Daniel, the man.
Want me to hold it? Oh. I thought you wanted me to hold it.
Now I'm trying to get a reaction. Nah.
My reaction.
That vroom, vroom, vroom. Celebrity Kevin. Celebrity Kevin out here. That thing sounds beautiful. And interior? Oh, you even have those
Door sill?
Yeah.
I had the same thing as you, the orange with the cluster.
Oh yeah. This is the interior. I mean, yeah, your interior is really clean.
Thank you.
With the seats, the cloth, the cloth and the stripe, the stitch. The valves are open right now. On with the diffuser. There you have Daniel's beautiful F82. And there you have Daniel and Malcolm. Thank you. And without them, you know, the car wouldn't be sounding amazing like this. Well, as you guys can tell, everything's good now. And great day today, you know. Got to talk to my friends. Finally got my exhaust on, and she looks beautiful. I have so much more that's coming, guys, to the channel. Like, I already have another mod coming in about a week or two, so I'm so excited. And honestly, guys, like, day by day, week by week, like, I'm gonna transform this car into the dream car, the dream build I've always wanted. But so far it's so good. And look at that, sun-kissed. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And you know, because I do this for you guys. Like, I like inspiring people. I guess when people say, yo, Diego, I like your videos, like, it really does mean a lot to me. And guys, like, I'm telling you, like, we're only gonna grow from here on out. Like, you know, 2021 was my year to start this channel and like actually improve it. And yeah, guys, like, I really have big plans for the future. Car meet's coming soon. And yeah, a lot of plans, guys. Car meet. There's gonna be a car meet September 17th. It's on a Friday. And yeah, guys, I'm telling you guys, a lot of things are coming to the channel. But please stay tuned and keep watching my videos. So yeah, have a great day, guys. See you guys. Okay, so have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because it really does mean a lot. And I'll be seeing you guys soon. This is my first time driving with the exhaust on. God damn, that thing sounds so good.